Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter and I teach everything about how to make money online. So today in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can withdraw money from your TikTok account in Nigeria. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end and let's get started. So guys, all you have to do is to click on your profile here. When you click on your profile, you will see these three dots over here. These three dots, you click on it, then you click on settings and privacy. Then it will lead you to this place where you see a lot of things. So all you have to do is to click on balance. When you click on balance, it's loading. Okay, so it will take you to this point. So all you have to do now, you see here recharge and you see live gifts. For now I'm still allowed to withdraw only with live gifts. So for some of you that have gotten up to 10,000 followers, you may have more features here, but for now I'm limited to only these features. So I'll click on my live gifts. Mind you, this step implies also for those who are up to 10,000 followers, but this feature now, this live gifts, you will be eligible for live gifts if you get up to 1,000 followers. So you click on these live gifts. When you click on live gifts, okay, it's loading. Now it will bring you to this point. Now you have to bear in mind that the minimum you can withdraw with TikTok is $1. So the minimum withdrawal amount is $1, and the maximum withdrawal limit in a day is $1,000. So you can see it here. Daily withdrawal limit is $1,000. So if I want to withdraw, although I don't have up to $1, but let me show you guys something here. If I want to withdraw, I will just click on this withdraw. If I click on this withdraw, you see it will bring me to this place. Because I've withdrawn with this before, it's disabled. So that's how it normally works. It doesn't allow withdrawal from it doesn't allow people to withdraw from Nigeria with Payoneer, but I'll show you guys how to do that. So now it's showing disabled. What do? I'll click here. I'll click add payment method. When I click, you'll see only PayPal will be showing here. And you guys know that Nigeria cannot withdraw with PayPal. You can't withdraw with PayPal from Nigeria. So how do you guys do this? How do you actually withdraw this money? So you see here where they wrote country/region. You click here. You change the country location to what? Algeria. You can see Algeria here. So you change it to Algeria. Now when you change it, you click done, and you'll see this option will appear. So you can now click on this. So when you click on this Payoneer, all you have to do basically is to link your Payoneer account with TikTok. You would have to verify your account. So they will send 4-digit code. Okay, I'll put autofill so that when the thing comes, it will put, okay. You can see they've sent the code. I'll put it there. And then You see, I'll click on agree and continue. Even if you disagree, will it change anything? Okay, so that's it. It will get to this point where you will have to put your Payoneer registration email. So I'll put mine. After you put, you click on link account. So for those of you who don't have Payoneer account, I'm going to make a video on how to create a Payoneer account for yourself. So all I have to do here is to log in. So I'll have to put my details and then my password. Put my password, and then when I'm done, I'll click on sign in. As simple as that. So now it's gonna link my Payoneer account to my TikTok account. So they're still gonna send another verification because I set up a 2-step verification. So they're gonna send a code, and here is it. I'll copy it and then I'll paste it here and submit. So I'll wait for it to load. Okay, so it's processing. So if you have funds in your TikTok account, all you have to do is to wait for this. When it's done processing, or normally you don't need to wait for this. Once you just link your account, you just click on withdraw and it will withdraw immediately. But why my own is showing this is because I don't have up to that minimum withdrawal amount, which is $1. So your own doesn't have to be like this. Okay, so that's it for withdrawing with Payoneer, withdrawing from TikTok in Nigeria. So guys, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how you can create a Payoneer account in case you don't have one. And thanks for watching this video. Please do well to like this video, hit on the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video.